drinking rum and cola.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make slime softer. So let's get on the video. So what you actually basically need is slime, obviously. And you could use baby oil or Vaseline. So yeah, you put the slime out from the desk. Mine is like okay, but it's not too okay. But let's just do it. So you grab the Vaseline. You just grab a little, and then you mix it in. And you don't have to put as much, or you don't have to have that much slime. And I actually eyeball it. And if you hear somebody talking, is my friend Star.
Hi.
She's holding the camera for me. And I feel like it got more like stretchy. And it is a slime to drip down. And it got more like you can poke it better, and it's so clickety. You hear that? So I put some in the desk. Anyways, you don't have to put as much I put in. You can put as much as you want.
It's like eyeballing it.
Yeah, like eyeball it. Like mine is fine, but I still need to add a little bit more. This will probably be the last bit.
This is what she uses.
You could use baby oil or that.
Vaseline.
I thought you said gasoline. I was like, no.
Vaseline.
Yeah.
And it makes like the slime, I think.
It makes like it soft.
More this.
Like and stretchier.
Whoa.
Stretchier and like I don't know.
Not,
like
if
softer.
it's way too sticky, just add more Vaseline.
Yeah.
How about in the next video we do it DIY?
Yeah.
We should do it today. Wait, comment down below if you want us to do it today or tomorrow.
It is stretchy. And it got stretchier
And
and way softer.
Oh shoot.
So yeah.
So
Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. See you
and
next
all my
video.
social medias will be down in the description below.
Yeah, they will be in the end of the video. So
If it's
bye.
Snapchat,
Yeah.
Musical.ly,
Everything.
Twitter, and Instagram.
Everything will be in the end of the video. Bye.
Bye.